Hey guys, it's Nevada. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how I style my I guess it's like medium. I don't know if people consider this short hair, but my medium / short hair. As you can see, this is straightened, so this is obviously one way to wear it. I don't really like my hair straight when it's short. I prefer it straight when it's longer. I guess when it's like really straight, it's kind of fine, but I put my hair in ponytails, I put my hair in like buns, and it ends up getting kind of like kinked, and then the bottoms kind of curl, and it just doesn't look all that great, and I don't want to have like that manager hair. For my straight hair, I told you guys I have had it Japanese straightened. It's grown out a lot. I want to say from my scalp to maybe how many ever inches this is. It's new hair that's grown since I last had it done, so that has grown out my natural texture. So when I wash my hair, I basically have to re-straighten this area, and then the rest of it is already straightened from the treatment. So when I go to get it redone, they will only redo this portion of the new hair that's come in. I do have a video of curling my entire head of hair using just a straightener, so if you want to check out that technique, you can definitely go do so. I just find that since my hair's shorter now, it's easy to use this. I use it like a wand, not an actual curling iron. It's fast, it's easy, it's simple. To heat prep my hair, I'm going to be using the Biolage R.A.W Heat Styling Primer. So the RAW stands for real, authentic, and wholesome, and that's pretty awesome. Technically, I should have also used this before straightening or blow drying, but I just wanted to show you guys the product. So to start curling, just pick up a section of hair, like about that big. That looks good. I basically alternate between curling away from my face and curling towards my face. Usually when my hair is longer, I'll just curl all away from my face, and then eventually throughout the day they kind of form into one big curl, and it looks nice when it's being weighed down by the weight of my hair. When that happens with short hair, can you just imagine having like two big single shaped curls that thick on either side of your face? It just does not look good. This is the first curl. I want you guys to see what it looks like. Can you? That's the first curl. So yeah, there's nothing really to it. I just section my hair and then curl it around my wand once or twice. Oh, also, I leave a good inch, maybe inch and a half, off of the curling iron. Like, I don't bring it all the way around, because I don't want that kind of spiralized curl that's going to bounce up. I want this to look a little bit more beachy and a little bit more natural. So I leave an inch off the edge so that it kind of hangs straight at the end. Okay, now that the bottom layer is done, I'm just gonna hairspray it a little bit. So what I actually did right now is I put my hair in a bun in the back, and you might think that's crazy after I spent so long curling my hair, but it actually just like keeps it scrunched. This is the curled end product. How you choose to kind of like part your hair, I guess, is up to you. I like the side part, and I like it to be kind of messy. After it's cooled down, essentially, I'm just going to run my fingers through it to separate it so it's not so like harsh. And then you can obviously like kind of fix the parts that aren't sitting the way you want them to. So honestly, I'm not like unhappy with how it turned out. I feel like there's not that much I need to fix. So yeah, finishing touches. If you want to bring it like a little bit more texture into it, I would suggest the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. This works amazing to add texture, and it smells really good, and I think it was like $5.99. The only problem is that it is actually like quite salty. So I would like wash your hair within a day or two of using this. And last but not least, I'm going to be using the Sparkling Soda Shine Mist. This is by DryBar Cosmetic, and this is just going to add a really nice shine throughout my hair. This has like an overpowering vanilla scent. If that kind of thing turns you off, don't get this because it's a very strong vanilla scent. That is essentially how I curl my short hair, how I style it. Oh, hello, we are joining. Okay, oh, you're so big. Okay. Struggle bus. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. So bye. Okay.